Is this you right now? Standing outside your car, keys in hand, heart beating just a little too fast? That first time starting a car can feel like you're launching a spaceship. What if you do it wrong? What if all those lights come on? What if it stalls? I remember that feeling. And I'm here to tell you two things. One, it's completely normal. And two, in the next 10 minutes, you're going to be an expert. This is your complete, no-stress guide to starting a car for the first time. Before you even think about the key, we have a simple 3-point checklist. I call it the PDC. Is your seat adjusted so you can comfortably reach the pedals and see clearly? Are your mirrors set? Sounds silly, but make sure all doors are fully closed. You'll usually see a light on the dashboard if one is open. Is your foot firmly on the brake pedal? And this is the most important one. Is your seatbelt on? The car won't care if you start it, but you absolutely should not move an inch without it. Let's get familiar with the cockpit. Down by your feet, from right to left, it's the accelerator, gas, brake. And if you're in a manual, the clutch on the far left. Here's the gear shifter. For automatic, you'll see P, R, N, D. For now, it just needs to be in P for park. This is the parking brake. And this, of course, is the ignition. Let's do it. Automatic is easy. 1. Foot on brake. Keep it pressed down firmly. 2. Key in ignition. Turn it to the on position. You'll hear a whirring sound and see all your dashboard lights illuminate. This is the car's computer checking itself. It's totally normal. Wait for the lights to settle. 3. Turn to start. Now, turn the key all the way. The engine will roar to life. If your car has a start button, just press it while your foot is on the brake. 4. You're running. You'll see most lights turn off except maybe the parking brake light. You are now officially in control. Manual transmission adds one crucial step, the clutch. 1. Press the clutch. Your left foot must press the clutch pedal all the way to the floor. This disconnects the engine from the wheels, allowing it to start safely. 2. Ensure it's in neutral. Wiggle the gear shifter. It should move freely side to side. If it's stuck, you might be in gear. Center it in the neutral position. 3. Optional, foot on brake. Good practice for safety. 4. Turn the key. Same as before. Turn to on. Let the lights settle, then start the engine. 5. The big difference. In a manual, you must keep the clutch pressed until you're ready to drive. If you lift your foot, the car will stall and jolt. It happens to everyone. Don't panic. This is what causes the most panic. When you turn the key to on, your dashboard looks like a Christmas tree. They are just saying, "Hello, I'm working." They should go away after you start the engine. The key ones are red lights equal sign warning / stop. For example, oil pressure, battery. If these stay on after starting, turn off the engine and check the manual. Yellow orange lights equal sign caution. For example, check engine, tire pressure. Get it checked soon, but it's usually safe to drive. Green blue lights equal sign information. For example, turn signals, high beams. Congratulations, the engine is running. Now, let's move safely. For an automatic, keep your foot on the brake, release the parking brake, shift to D for drive, gently lift your foot off the brake, and the car will start to creep forward. For a manual, with the clutch still down, shift into first gear. Slowly lift the clutch until you feel the car bite. It will dip slightly. Then gently press the gas as you continue to lift the clutch. Before you go, make sure you avoid these 3 common mistakes. 1. Rushing the start. Don't just jump in and turn the key. Do the PDC every time. 2. Ignoring a red light. If a red dashboard light stays on after starting, don't ignore it. 3. Stalling panic. If you're in a manual and you stall, it's okay. Take a breath, press the clutch, put it in neutral, and start again. Everyone stalls. And that's it. You are no longer a beginner. You are a driver. That anxiety you felt at the beginning, you've just turned it into confidence. Now it's your turn. Go out there, be safe, and practice. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. What was the hardest part for you? Share your first-time story in the comments below. And if you're ready for the next step, subscribe and click here for my video on how to master parking. End screen with a subscribe button and a link to another relevant video, like Parallel Parking for Beginners.